It's Flair from Dragon Fox Demon. My review today is for a canvas print from Walgreens. I've printed cards, like Christmas cards, and I've had photos printed at Walgreens. They had I think it was 60% off canvases, and it lined up with a project that I had an artist do for me, so I went and got one printed. Now I'm already have opened this. I've seen what it looks like. I haven't taken it out, so we're gonna go through kind of how it feels, how it is put together. Quick turnaround. Put the order in last night. It was ready today. One issue though I did this all on their website, is that you have to put all your credit card information to pay for it. No big deal. Means you pick it up. However, when I went to pick it up, they said I still owed on it, which led to having to check the website again, then count, and then check my credit card to make sure I wasn't charged, which I wasn't, so then I had to pay for it there. So it wasn't quite as easy. Staff was fine, no issues there. It's just kind of frustrating when you pay for it on the website and then you didn't actually pay for it and had to do it. So this is a 16 by 20 canvas. It comes in a cardboard box. There was a receipt that's printed on their photo stock. That's generally how they do their receipts. So I'm going to adjust this for lighting. Turn this. Alright, so what we have here is the print. The artwork you see here is done by Hand Monster. I have videos of where I've had other work from her print it, but I haven't had it printed this way. The last one, I believe, and I'll link it, was the 3D character bust, which I reviewed from Shapeways. So, get this out of here. So, texture-wise, pretty minimal as far as the canvas. There's some. Pretty smooth. As far as the back, we got a toothy hanger on the top, and it feels pretty solid. It is a wrapped canvas, as you can see around the edges. There's some claws on this side, wings. It's actually pretty heavy. We'll have a backing too, so that's nice. That's what you're seeing right here, is that backing. Matte board, it feels like. Like I said, I got this on sale. I think it originally, for this size canvas, runs about $90 currently. And I got it with tax almost $40. So for the price, not too bad. Quality feels good. Printing was fast. I would definitely try it again on one of these, because I haven't had any issues with other previous printing from them. So yeah, success. Thank you for watching.